This is the first spillway at Stony Brook, completely flooded. And you can see after, well, I'm going to try and cross this, and then I'll be able to show you after. Wow, look at it. I've never seen a stream there before, because, of course, there never is a stream. Let's see where this is coming from. That's just coming straight over from the water. It's just bypassing the spillway completely. Oh, it looks like somebody put a little log here. Little blue jay over there on the birch tree. Somebody put a log here, it looks like, to cross. So let's give it a go. I made it across. That was a little effort, but got there. Here's a view from the other side. So there it is. And then, of course, this is what it looks like after the spillway. Completely flooded as well. I just want to show you there's another stream over here, a new stream. Here's the second spillway. Certainly passable, but definitely wetter than normal. We don't usually get not much flooding here or mud or anything. Going that way. Coming in through there. A little stream coming straight from the bridge. Let's see what it's like over here. Yes, I guess it's coming right over there. Very high. Yeah, really high. And here's below the falls. You can see the water over here. Going this way to the right is very full. That's not usually quite so deep. Usually, sometimes it's even dry, so that's unusual. We got a good strong flow here. And a strong flow this way too.